Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay and in this tutorial we're talking about house masters and house mistress. Odun Grace is the account that is logged in. Odun Grace happens to be a vice principal. Now, using the dashboard, all the links in this dashboard right now is going to reference a current term. If we want to do if we want to actually carry out activities such like creating and viewing of house masters for other terms, we can actually do that by using this particular link here and selecting the particular term we want. So let's say this particular term, and we can go ahead to create or view house masters and house mistresses in that particular previously existing term or forthcoming terms. Now, if you click on this particular view house masters, we'll be giving the listing of the existing house masters for this particular term. That is 2014-2015 for term is the current term. And I find out for the house and the senior house master is Ali Zayo, and for the house junior house master is okay, house mistress is Echetama, is Ezubi Chinyere. Now the person is not prepared, none of them is perpetually active and all of them are active. We can deactivate the account as house masters, and we can actually edit it and assign another person to become the house master of the, the house master. And if we click on this, we can reference so that we can have access to view all previous house masters, maybe not irrespective of the current term or not. Now we're having that there were other house masters that were created. This one was 2014-2015 second term, and this one was for 2014-2015 second term. So these two house masters are for these two house masters and house mistress. Okay, they are female. They were created for previous terms, and therefore they cannot use this account any longer to work on the account because their terms are no longer current, or unless you make them virtually active. That's when they can actually use this particular portfolio to work on the account. Remember that this one is listing all house masters, not just for 2014-2015. Now we can edit, let's say edit this also hopes account by clicking on this. We'll edit that. We can choose another house, let's say house B, and if we place it like this, then when also hope logs into his account, you find out that he will no longer be able to access the house mistress was successfully deleted. She will no longer be able to access the students of Blue House for 2014-2015 third term. She will now have access to house E instead of Blue House, and that is the way in which you can reassign to another staff, or reassign a house to another member of staff on the platform to become the house master. Now the other one is a creation of house master. If you click on this button, you can create a house master or a house mistress. And when we are to create it, we will specify the term. We can say third term, and we can specify the house, red house, and position. We can assign position to one, meaning like a senior house master. In the case whereby we have one for senior and one for junior, then we can then specify the particular teacher that's going to be the house master, and click save, and prompt save as one of the members there, as one of the members there that will be the house masters. And whenever this particular person log into his own account, he will find out that he has been made a house master, and he will have the capability to work as house master on the platform. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you in next tutorial, and make sure your screen sign up on those colors.